In the previous video, we have seen how to implement singleton design pattern in a different approach suggested by Bilpug, which is creating the instance inside inner class. So in this video, I'm going to wrap up this singleton process, creating singleton object by introducing a lost concept, which is serialization. What is serialization? In distributed systems, we used to save the state of an object to a file system, which is called serialization, and to retrieve the object back from the file system is called deserialization. So how to implement the serialization? We need to have we need to implement the serializable interface. And we need to add a method which is a read resolve method. What about this read resolve method and rest of the stuff I'm not going to touch here. So to implement while implementing serialization, we need to add this read resolve method. In this read resolve method, I'm going to return the my instance. In fact, I'm going to call this method again. So that's it. This is about when implementing this. Why I'm implementing this serialization? Because at the time of serialization, what happens is when you are going to save your state of an object to a file form, while you are retrieving back from the file to object state, what happens is the object going to it is going to create again one more instance, one more object is going to create. So to restrict that, what I'm doing is I'm again referring to the same instance. Instead of creating one more instance, I'm referring to the same instance by overriding the read resolve method. So this is about creating singleton design pattern. And the last point I want to touch with you is I'm going to create private static final. So serialize UID serialized version UID equals so the last point is but when you are going to save your object to file system and you are retrieving back the state of an object from file system, if your class structure changes, then what happens is you may get a different object. So to restrict that process, we need to have this last condition, which is a serialized version UID, which is ensures that to have a same object even though the file structure changes. So this is about singleton design pattern, creating singleton design pattern, which is easy and very simple to create. Hope I made you understand. Thanks for watching.